The backpack is here, and I am so excited. I'm going to open this thing for you guys. That actually worked perfectly. So before we begin, don't forget to like the video if you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, link is down below to the merch store. Go get some great merch. So, to kind of cut to the chase, this backpack is from another YouTuber. I bought it with my own money. I am part of the wave 2 of the Linus Tech Tips backpack, which is an expensive backpack. Motherfuckers. This is the most expensive backpack I've ever bought in my life, and honestly, it's probably gonna be worth it. You can't see me anymore. Let's just kind of. Oh yeah. Oh god. Oh god, everything's falling. Stickers. Favorite part. Honestly, God, that is my favorite part of getting the merch from them is the stickers. Oh, this looks nice. Oh, look at that. That looks really nice. So like I said, this is a very expensive backpack. It's $250, but it does come with a lot. For instance, each strap is triple stitch, I think that's what it was, and it has 3 rivets. The little buckles here are metal, little carabiner clips that you can just kind of use to make things a little easier for some added protection from people stealing stuff. Makes it a little nicer. There is a little bit of a problem with these ones. If there's some side pressure on the side, it actually can break this. They are working on getting replacements for these to all people that have them currently, and will hopefully have one before the Wave 3s ship out. This is made with recycled plastic from plastic bottles. Gotta save those turtles, guys. Separate glass pocket. Oh yeah, they have a pocket for the glasses. It's this thing here, I think. Yeah, so this is a nice little pocket that you can kind of, we'll just use my normal glasses, put some glasses in, and they should be fine no matter what you put in them. They won't break or anything. It's also a nice microfiber. Is that what that is? It's whatever you use to clean your glasses off with. That's the kind of fabric that's in there. It's kind of nice. And it's got a little plastic shell to kind of keep things nice and padded and protected. Most people apparently use it for sunglasses. I probably won't be using it for glasses, to be honest. I am debating on having like a little snack pocket in this. This is really nice. I've really been excited about this. Ooh. Oh, this is like quite literally the biggest airbag I've ever seen in my life. Oh, come on. It's so big. Oh my god. I'm gonna stab it. Where's my knife? I'm still stabbing it. There we go. Oh, there's my knife. Some nice tasty salt packets. You should definitely eat those. Another pocket there. It's supposed to be a little tiny air tag pocket to hide your air tag in. I wonder if that's what this is. No, that's for the water bottle. I can already tell that. That's for the water bottle. There's another one! This thing's huge. I think you could actually fit Linus in this. I'm like literally almost positive. Okay, so perfect. Where's my keyboard? I got it on my laptop. I got it here just for this. Perfect. Should be able to fit most keyboards in this. My laptop. It's a laptop. My laptop is a 15.6 inch. It's pretty darn close to almost filling that out. I imagine you actually could still get some more in. You can get some thicker laptops in there, which is nice. There is a pocket for your brick, and technically you can also have one for your cable if it's a bit of a bigger brick. The brick I have is pretty tiny, so the thing that's going to go in that pocket is this nice little iFixit. And there is also 2 different size pockets so that you can also put, like, say, a smaller tablet or a smaller keyboard or something like that. Which, actually, I have a keyboard for this. In case you guys hadn't gotten the idea, this is going to be my ultimate tech bag. It's going to have every bit of tech that I need in it to do some fixing. Let's see what's inside the front pocket. Oh yeah, it does that. I'm used to flopping it out like a tongue. This is going to be where my nice screwdriver goes. I am getting the LTT screwdriver just because it looks nice, and honestly, it's a lot nicer than mine, because when you open up the bottom of mine and you need an extra bit, they're all just kind of loose in there, so they just all fall out when you open it that way. The other one has a little mechanism for where you can pull it out. Kitty, I love you, but please stop messing with my feet while I'm trying to do a video. Nice little mesh pocket there. Another pocket here, a pocket for a pen or something. You can hide some USBs in this. Actually, I have some for Windows setup, some random files I have, like Word documents from like high school to now, from every single college class I've ever had, from every single class I've had, and also a BIOS updater for my motherboard. That is actually most of my tech stuff that I immediately wanted in here. I have a lot more room. Let's just kind of fill this up. I have an entire bin of things I wanted in here. Not all of it's going in here, but most of it is. Linus, are you proud of me yet? Ooh, I want this in there. It's a nice little cleaner. Very nice for getting some dust off. That's a lot of dust coming off of that now. So I'm not noticing that not all of these are the same carabiner ones. So it's only for bigger pockets that gets the carabiner style zippers. Just still kind of cool. I'd like to have something like this, but I don't want that one. This one will work. So a bit of a more of a plastic one for cleaning my screens. Brush. If you've ever seen the video where I did peripheral cleaning, you'll know why that's there. Speaking of which, where is, there it is. Isopropyl alcohol. That's probably gonna go in there somewhere. I'll figure it out later. I'm not putting that in there. That's a little too big to me. LCD cleaner. That actually could be helpful. I already have one in here technically, but you know, never have too many things to clean with. Got another screwdriver in here. This one's actually kind of nicer, even though it's from the store I work at, it's considered a lesser brand. At least this one keeps it mostly together instead of it all just falling out. It does have more bits. I have an iFixit kit in there, it's fine. I do also have glue in here. Let's put some glue in here. You know what? Let's just glue some stuff when I fix it. That'll be nice, right? That's how you fix things. If it moves, and it shouldn't, duct tape. If it doesn't move, and it should, WD-40. There, I have taught you everything you need to know in life. Go out and complete all of the quests in the world, my children. You know, there's enough room in here. I could honestly put the dust vac in there. Not gonna do that, just because that's a little too much for this backpack, I think. That might actually, there's more than enough room right there. It's home cleaning time with Steven, and yet it doesn't look like I'm cleaning. Which ways? Yeah, there we go. Oh, but if I have that in there, it means I have to have the accessories. Oh, no. Yeah, get in there. I'm so very careful with it. What's this? D brand. You know what? I don't have glasses that I'm gonna put in here, but I'll just put a little glass cleaner rag there. That'll be nice. Are these the instructions for the, Yep, operating manual for the dust vac. I need that. There's another accessory for the dust vac. Another manual for the dust vac. Oh yeah, look at that. That is a chunk-tastic bag. I can already feel the weight of it on my lap. This is by no means close to what this bag can actually hold, but that is a lot in this bag. That's actually heavy. I was planning to also use this for like school, like have some textbooks in it. I haven't even put everything I want in there. It's still sitting down perfectly, which isn't that impressive considering I have a dust vac in there. It's probably holding it down. So here is the Bluetooth mini keyboard I had a while ago that I did a video on. That's still going in here, by the way. So let's just get this all nice together, because that is actually basically everything I want to have in this. Maybe a couple other things, like a mouse that I have. For the most part, this is going to work perfectly. I want to see, first, I'm going to go weigh this, and then I'm going to come back and see how well the strap... Can't find it. I can't find the weight scale, but it's fine. I can just kind of guess how much it weighs, because I mean, it has a dust vac in it, a keyboard, a laptop. We're gonna guess 20 pounds. We'll see how the strap goes. Nothing. No stretching or anything. It feels perfect. Like that. I like how stiff it is. Let's see how this That's actually really nice. I love this. I haven't even talked about all the features about this backpack. There's another side pocket here. You can hide more stuff there. A little strap here to put onto your suitcase, like a little strap there. There is also a little RFID pocket hiding somewhere in here. I think it was that. Right here, you can hear it. That is actually a nice place to hide this if you're not gonna use it. They also made it very cushiony right here. It's really nice. I was planning to let this video go on for like another week and not post about it, but I'm too excited about the backpack. I'm making a decision here. I am going to do a second video on how it's doing after a month or two. I'll let you guys kind of decide how long you guys want me to wait until I talk about it again. Hey, quick little thing here. I did take out a couple things out of the backpack. I took out the dust vac because it didn't really make sense for what I was doing there. And I put in a multimeter, a wall plug tester, and a power meter to see how much power is being taken, because that actually could be a thing that I want to keep an eye on in case something is tripping the breaker. But back to the video, because it is a really nice keyboard. Hi, Biscuit. Yes, Biscuit, I know, you don't like human attention, but you won't say anything as soon as someone holds you. Look at your Biscuit. The Biscuits are very friendly. She's still also very sad because she lost her brother. I miss her brother. But I will do a second video talking about this again. Before we do that, we do have to touch on something here. And it was a bit of a controversy that happened with this backpack. Sorry, Linus, I have to talk about it. I can't talk about this backpack and not bring this up. So when this backpack first came out, the price was released at $250. And there was a lot of things going on there. The biggest question was a warranty. Now, Linus, in fairness to him, he is a great guy, and honestly, I would have trusted him, but I'm not everybody, and honestly, I also do preach that you shouldn't trust companies to just deal with it, because sometimes they won't. Linus was just going to do a very trust me bro thing. He actually made a shirt about that, that he will just take care of the customer if there's a problem that arises. Not everybody agreed with that and preferred to have a written out warranty. So there is now a limited lifetime warranty with this. I believe it's still with the actual backpack. But what do you guys think? Do you guys think that the Linus warranty thing was a little overblown? Did he not handle it correctly? I honestly want to hear what you guys think, because there was a lot going on with this, and I don't think I got all of it, because I don't think I could. Also, do you guys think $250 is too much for a backpack? Which honestly, I don't disagree. He's a great YouTuber, and honestly, it's amazing. And honestly, most of those costs are from tooling, from putting it up, making all the very complicated bits of this. So there's not much you can really do about the cost. The cost is kind of where it's at. Well, everybody, thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like the video if you like the video, and subscribe to the channel. Also, link is down below to the merch store. Go get some great merch. If you guys enjoyed this video, why don't you guys go check out the video I did on cleaning your peripherals? Just because you all probably need to clean your peripherals every now and then.